killing that clutch. The 513s would actually be the way to go.
I was talking about he's got to figure out his master plan, because you can do things in steps, right? You know,
Yeah.
So, and eventually that costs more, but if you can afford it and do the smart plan, is you just wait and go, whoa, bam.
Yep.
And so
Good.
there's those issues when you're kind of going, well, I kind of want to do this, but
Yeah.
what's the point of doing that if down the road I do?
That's kind of where I'm at. I need to save up a bunch of money to basically make the swap happen.
Yeah.
You know, that's where I'm at right now.
It was it was a couple of years and a tough pill to swallow for me to do the wheels, tires, and the axles at the same time, and then I had to wait another year to do the long arm, and then I had to wait another year to do the coilovers.
Yeah.
But you know, all of us only have so much money to do stuff. I mean,
still a hobby, you know.
Yeah. I know this is first world problems. I get it. You know,
Yeah.
all that stuff, but I'm not fortunate enough to be able to do here's $50K right off the bat. Boom, you know, I'm done. You gotta do it in steps.
Do it in steps, That's why I'm where I'm at right now. So I have a little Suzuki Samurai also.
Oh, nice.
So I want to put the Jeep axles underneath it and then go to the one.
Is it good condition, man?
It's decent.
These little Suzukis are in high demand. The people that have them love them, and
well, they're tiny.
And if you can have if the body is good.
Like I originally got those big ass axles for good, and then I was like,
you've seen the Instagrams and the built up. Those things are sweet.
Well, and I'm watching them just putting the YJ axles and the stock leaf springs, and they're fucking flexing out like this tall, dude. It's crazy. Like I posted because my YJ, it's got 4-inch leaf springs on it, and dude, it has zero flex at all. Like I think the leaf springs are pretty new, but like I could put it up on this rock right here, and my tire will be like a foot off the ground. You know, it's like there's no flex whatsoever. But